Hello everyone. So today I'll be attempting to carry out two coding challenges on LeetCode. One is the jewels and stones, and the other is the contains duplicate. And this will be done in Ruby. Okay, so let's get started with the jewels and stones. So you're given string representing the types of stones that are jewels, and S representing the stones you have. Each character in S is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are also jewels. The letter in J are guaranteed distinct, and all characters in J and S are letters. Letters are case sensitive, so A is considered a different type of stone from A, which would be capital A. Capital A against lowercase a. So an example would be to input J with A and capital A, and S with these letters. So as you can see here, having this lowercase and capital, and then comparing it against here, 1, 2, 3, you can find there are 3. That would be the output. So the output is essentially what was in the string. Example 2 also shows a similar solution, the same logic. So J equals Z, S equals ZZ. Because it's lowercase, the J is lowercase, S does not contain the jewels. So there's different ways you could approach this problem. I personally think that it's good to keep things simple. For the sake of runtime and complexity, it's very, very good to keep things simple. So one way you could approach it is by simply using the count method. So you would use s.count and j, and this would essentially count the number of occurrences of letters J in the string S. So let's run it. As you can see, it has been accepted with a runtime of 40 milliseconds, an output of 3, and expected outputs of 3. Okay, let's submit it. And there we go, success. Okay, fantastic. So now we will be moving on to the contains duplicates problem. Okay. So the question is to return true or false depending on whether there are duplicates in the array. So this essentially requires you to check the array to make sure there aren't duplicates. If there are duplicates, you would return true. If there aren't, you would return false. So this could be approached using an if statement, and how we could do this would be to compare a mirror say compare a clone of Nooms with unique elements. So using this approach, we could check that the length of Nooms is the same as its duplicates with unique elements. So by checking that the length is the same, you can actually determine whether or not it has unique elements. If it did have unique elements, then it would have the same length as its duplicates with unique elements. So we can essentially use an if statement and a method as well, a unique method, which sieves out duplicates out of the array. Okay, so this is saying if the length of a unique version of that array is the same as the length of the array, return false, which essentially means there are no duplicates. Else return true. And let's run it. Okay, so it's been accepted. Submit. Okay, awesome. So thanks, guys. I'll try and upload a few more challenges in the future. There you have it. Contains duplicates and jewels and stones challenge. Thank you.